Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft world. First, launch your Minecraft game and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the single-player option to access your local game worlds. Next, you'll want to click on the Create New World button, which will initiate the setup for your brand new adventure. Remember to give your world a distinctive name so you can easily find it later among your saved games. Now, let's choose your world generation options. You'll need to pick a game mode that suits your playstyle, whether it's survival for challenges, creative for building, or hardcore for an intense experience. Next, set your preferred difficulty level, ranging from a calm, peaceful mode to a very challenging, hard mode. Finally, select a world type. Default is standard, Superflat offers a flat canvas, and Amplified creates dramatic terrain. For more control, customize your world settings. You can toggle Allow Cheats if you wish to use console commands during gameplay. Decide whether to generate structures, like villages, temples, and strongholds for exploration. Consider enabling the bonus chest option, which provides a small collection of starter items near your spawn point. For a truly unique experience, input a specific seed number to generate a world with a predefined layout. With all your preferences set, it's time to finalize your new world. Take a moment to review all the options you've selected to ensure they match your desired gameplay experience. Once you are satisfied, simply click the Create New World button. The game will then generate your unique environment, which typically takes only a few moments. Soon, you'll be ready to jump in and begin exploring your brand new Minecraft adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.